Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? I've got a quick one for you today. Basically, this is the best way I've found to publish as many videos as you possibly want to every single social media platform: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Threads, Facebook, etc. And we can schedule this to run. This is going to basically set everything up. This is readying the video inside of Blotato. This is publishing to TikTok, to Instagram, and to Twitter. And now you can see we've updated the record. So if we come back in here, you can see the status has changed to publish, and the date published has today's date with the time that it was published. And now if I hop back over to my Twitter account, you can see this is the video that we just grabbed from the Airtable database. We have the full caption here. I can hop over to my TikTok account and you can see this video has been published here along with the caption. And now if I come over to Instagram, you can see we also have this video published to the Instagram channel. Literally all you have to do is either click this button or schedule this to run whenever you feel like, and basically the system will run on your schedule. It'll publish to every single platform. It's super, super easy. This is using the Blotato API. If you don't know about Blotato, this is the platform here. It has the best API that I have found to do this sort of like mass publishing. It was started by Sabrina Romanov. She's one of the largest AI influencers in the space, and the system is so easy to use and it's really extremely cost effective. So this is what I use to publish content onto every single platform. It's really easy. All you got to do is log in with your accounts and then copy your ID. So let me show you exactly how the system works. It's great if you're creating faceless video or AI avatar videos, or if you're just, creating your own content for yourself. I've been storing everything in a database, so that way it's really easy for me to publish. So let me show you how this is set up. It's really simple. Basically, all you have to do is create a little database, set your titles and your captions and things like that, set up your IDs, and you're good to go. So this is the really simple database that I set up just for this video. Basically, all it has is the title of the video, the little caption, which will get published to every social channel, and then the attachment, which is the video file. And you can open this up here. And basically, I'm just going to play this for a second. This is like an AI avatar or a clone video that I made. And recently I built out this crazy automation to create these for me every single day. If you want to see more about this automation, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to do a walkthrough. But today I'm just going to show you how I basically take everything that's created and I just publish it to all the platforms. So all you do basically is, once you have the title and the caption and the video in this attachment field, you'll have here, this will be a status that says needs approval, because, don't we all? Basically, all you have to do is switch this to approved. And then the system will run on a schedule that you set. So we just have the schedule trigger here, and you can set this to run every day, every minute, once a week, or on like a schedule that you set. And basically all this is doing is it's going to search our Airtable database by this formula. And all it's looking for is posts that we've approved to publish. And so when we're ready to publish something, all we have to do is switch this from needs approval to approved. And now the system will know that we're ready to publish this to all our channels. From here, the second node is simply just pulling in the media URL, the title, and the caption. So it's just pulling in all of the fields from our Airtable database, the media URL, the title, and the caption here, and we're just dragging these over. And this is so, again, the system knows what to publish. And now here, we're just setting our Blotato IDs. So Blotato will have its own API key. You just drop that in here, and then you basically have all these different little IDs for every single social media channel, right? Like I showed you that once you connected here, you get your ID, and all you have to do is click copy account ID, and then you would just come back here. And if it's Instagram, you paste it in here. If it's YouTube, you just paste it in there. It's really that simple. There's this little node that's set to prep the video inside of Blotato. So basically it uploads it to Blotato, so it's on like a publicly accessible server. And then from there, it just publishes to the channels that you choose. And so right now I have everything deactivated. Like I'll choose Instagram, I'll choose TikTok, and I'll choose Twitter. Normally I would choose YouTube. At the time I'm filming this video, I know Sabrina has like reached her credit or her request limit for YouTube because so many people are using the platform and using this API. But I know that she's working with them to get her quota increased so that she can service everyone. And so normally I would have YouTube activated too. And so at the end, basically what it's going to do is it's just going to route this video to every single one of the channels that we've selected. And we can come in here and we can look at how this HTTP request is set up for Instagram. It's basically going to backend.blotato.com/post. This is grabbing the API key from the IDs that we prepped earlier. And then here we just have this JSON here, which is basically pulling in Instagram text, the URL, and the account ID. Now, so you don't have to build this all yourself. I do have a school community where I will leave all the resource files, including this N8N workflow and the Airtable database for you to have access to. So once you've downloaded the files from the school community, literally all you have to do is come up to these three dots, go ahead and click import from file, navigate to where you saved this, go ahead and click import, and basically this entire flow will pop in for you. And you just have to link this up to your own Blotato account and your own Airtable account, and you'll be ready to publish on every single platform. So now basically that we've activated all the channels that we want, I've just created this merge node at the end just to kind of gather all the information. And then at the end, all we're doing is we're just updating the Airtable record with the date published, so that when we go ahead and we can schedule this to run, this is going to basically set everything up. This is readying the video inside of Blotato. This is publishing to TikTok, to Instagram, and to Twitter. And now you can see we've updated the record. So if we come back in here, you can see the status has changed to publish, and the date published has today's date with the time that it was published. And now if I hop back over to my Twitter account, you can see this is the video that we just grabbed from the Airtable database. We have the full caption here. I can hop over to my TikTok account and you can see this video has been published here along with the caption. And now if I come over to Instagram, you can see we also have this video published to the Instagram channel. That's how easy it is to publish your videos across every single social channel to get the most reach, the most visibility, and the most engagement. So again, hop into the school community if you want to get access to these files, and make sure you check out this video where I show you how to make an entire social media hub using N8N. I'll see you over there.